Hello, welcome back. We're going to go through another application of derivative, which is about finding the acceleration of a moving object, which comes with the velocity 100t divided by 2t plus 15 feet per second, and time here is in seconds. So what we're going to do is to find the acceleration of the vehicle after 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds. I just want to remind you that the rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called the velocity, in fact, which is what is given or provided to us. And we also know that the rate of change of velocity in time is called acceleration. So rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity has something to do with the derivative notion. In fact, the time derivative of v, which is the velocity, is called acceleration. In other words, rate of change of velocity in time is called acceleration. And acceleration is, let me just call acceleration function with lowercase a. So a of t is in fact the time derivative of the velocity function. So we have a quotient for the velocity function, so we're going to find the derivative of this function by using the quotient rule. So the rule goes like this: the derivative of the top function times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom function. Okay, this is all divided by the bottom squared. So at this moment, we simplify this expression. Let me just write it here. So this term is the derivative of 100t with respect to t. So, well, constant multiple of t. When you take the derivative, it's going to be the same constant multiple times the derivative of t, which is equal to 1. So 100 times 1 is the derivative of this piece. And for this one, you have 2t, so the derivative of that, just 2. And the derivative of 15 is 0. So let me just rewrite it in the clean form. All right, after replacing the derivatives of these pieces here, we have this expression left. This is 200t plus 1500, and you have also here 200t. So in other words, this term is going to cancel this times that. So in other words, at the top you have 100 times 15 left, which is 1500, divided by 2t plus 15 squared. So v prime is what we call the acceleration of the vehicle. All right. So once we have acceleration in terms of time, we can just go ahead and find or evaluate this function at 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds. And here are the accelerations evaluated at 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds. And from the graph of the acceleration, you can observe that the acceleration function is decreasing. In other words, if you evolve in time, the acceleration is going to decrease in time. All right, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.